Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Morgan, the Ryker chick, and in today's video we're going to be adding a little extra flair to our Rykers by adding reflective tape to our rims. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, so this one is going to hopefully be a quick and easy modification that'll add a little bit of extra flair to your bike, but also it's an important safety modification because it'll add visibility to your Ryker. So this is reflective rim tape. This is from Amazon. It comes in a bunch of different colors. You can see all the ones right down here. I have just the reflective white. I just figured with kind of my color scheme going on, the white would look good. I thought about the blue as well, but you know, I figured just go plain white, kind of goes with everything. It is said to be easy to apply, very bright, very durable. It's supposed to have strong adhesive. It's supposed to be weatherproof, water resistant, and UV and solvent resistant. So we'll test it out and see. Now these come in all different sizes. I have the 16-inch tape to go on the Ryker, so hopefully that works. This is supposed to make 4 complete circles with the pack that you get. So my plan is to do the outside of both of the front tires and then both sides of the back tire. But before we get started, I just want to ask if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure your notification bells are on so you never miss a future upload. So with that being said, let's just get into it. As far as materials, pretty straightforward. You're going to need your tape. You're going to need some kind of alcohol or something to clean the rims with. I just have a little spray bottle full of alcohol and a paper towel. Easy enough, right? So out of the package, this is what it looks like. It's already pre-cut into equal lengths and just ready to go to stick right on there. It actually also comes with little circles and stars, so you can add a little extra flair to your bike. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're going to start out with our alcohol and our paper towel and just going through and cleaning the rims. Well, that's disgusting. So I don't know yet, but I think one of the challenges I'm going to have is that on these rally rims, this is a 2020 rally, it's not even. It kind of has these little like breaks right through here on the rim. So we're just going to have to give it a shot and just see. But here we go. No, I think that's okay. I think that's gonna work just fine. It's not that big of a dip down on the edges right here, so I think that's fine. I would suggest starting with this side because it has more of a, you know, like a very sharp edge on here, whereas these parts are rounded. So yeah, and so basically I think you just sort of go around and it says not to overlap them by about by more than about 1/3 of an inch, because otherwise you'll run out. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so first one is done. Not too bad. I did end up with probably 4 or so inches of tape left over, so that does tell me I could definitely overlap a little bit more. I don't know if I'm gonna run out of tape, who knows. Should count how many strips that took. 6 strips of this tape on the front tire. And I think the back rims are a little bit smaller, so we'll see. I do recommend spraying with alcohol, just like one section at a time, just like whatever section you're about to put on, spray that section and clean it off first, and then spray your fingers so you're not getting any residual dirt or anything on your fingertips before you handle the tape. Also, I probably should have washed my Ryker before I did this. Like a good cleaning probably would have been the smart idea first, but I didn't think about that. So if you do this, I would recommend doing that first. Yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the other ones. Okay, so far the back tires are actually easier as far as the application because there's no break in the rims. It's just one continuous smooth piece. So it's been very easy as far as the application part. Now my challenge is I'm running into the swing arm over here. So I think I'm just gonna put my bike in neutral and just push it back a little bit. I find that this lower part of the tire exposes the most rim. So I just put 2 pieces on there. I'm gonna roll the tire back and just keep going. Okay, moment of truth. The front and back tire are done, so I'm going to turn the lights out in the garage and I'm going to shine a flashlight in the direction of the tires and we'll see what happens. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, so I don't know how well you guys can tell from the video what a difference that makes, but I can definitely tell. I think it's something that you're gonna see more often than not out on the road in real life driving scenarios. I am gonna try to capture it in photo. They say if you take a photo with flash, you can definitely kind of see it show up in pictures, the reflective tape. So let's try that. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you wanna check out this product, I'm gonna link it down in the description box below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe. I'd love to have you around to be a part of the Ryker Chick family. And make sure you have the notification bell on so you never miss a future video. And until next time, you guys ride safe, be kind, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.